Understanding the Basics of Machine Learning, a beginner's guide to building intelligent systems. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about one of the most fascinating fields in technology, machine learning. Machine learning is the ability of machines to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It is a subfield of artificial intelligence (AI) that focuses on the development of algorithms and statistical models that enable machines to perform specific tasks without being explicitly programmed to do so. Now, let's dive into the basics of machine learning. 1. Types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning: A. Supervised learning, B. Unsupervised learning, C. Reinforcement learning. A. Supervised learning is the most common type of machine learning, where the machine is trained on labeled data. The algorithm learns to predict the output variable from the input variables. B. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, involves training the machine on unlabeled data. The algorithm learns to find patterns and relationships in the data. C. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where the algorithm learns by interacting with its environment. The machine is rewarded for every correct action it takes and penalized for every wrong action. 2. Machine learning applications. Machine learning has several applications in different industries, including A. Healthcare, to analyze patient data and develop better treatments. B. Finance, to detect fraud and manage risks. C. Marketing, to target specific customers with personalized ads. D. Transportation, to optimize routes and reduce traffic congestion. E. Gaming, to create intelligent opponents for players. F. Robotics, to develop autonomous robots. 3. Challenges in machine learning. Machine learning is not without its challenges. Some of the most common challenges include: A. Lack of quality data, B. Bias in the data and algorithms, C. Overfitting and underfitting, D. Model selection, E. Interpretability of the results. Machine learning is an exciting field with endless possibilities. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more incredible applications of machine learning in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about machine learning. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.